Hello friends, today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions from chapter 1 of the class 12th history NCERT part 1. These MCQs are based on the topic discovering the Harappan civilization, sites and evidences. But before starting MCQs of this topic, first we will see the right answer of the practice question that was asked in the second episode. And the question was, dockyard is found at which of the following Harappan site? Options are A. Mohenjo-daro, B. Harappa, C. Lothal and D. Dholavira. Right answer of this question is option C. Lothal. Harappan site Lothal is in Gujarat. This is the only port town of the Harappan civilization. Here you can see an image of the Lothal dockyard. Now let's start with MCQs of the today's topic, discovering the Harappan civilization, sites and evidences. And the first question is, who was the first Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India? A. John Marshall, B. Alexander Cunningham, C. R.E.M. Wheeler and D. Ernest Mackay. And the right answer is answer B. Alexander Cunningham. Let's see its explanation. Alexander Cunningham was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India or ASI. He is often called as the father of Indian archaeology. In 1861, the Archaeological Survey of India or ASI was founded by Alexander Cunningham. This is an image of Alexander Cunningham. John Marshall was the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India from 1902 to 1928. R.E.M. Wheeler and Ernest Mackay were British archaeologists having great contributions in the archaeological explorations of Harappan civilization. Question number 2. Which of the following pair of Harappan sites is correct? A. Mohenjo-daro, Punjab, B. Harappa, Sindh, C. Kalibanga, Rajasthan and D. Dholavira, Haryana. Here correct answer is option C. Kalibanga, Rajasthan. Let's see why option C is the correct answer of this question. Kalibanga is an ancient site of the Harappan civilization in Rajasthan state. Mohenjo-daro is a large Harappan site situated near Indus River in Sindh province of present Pakistan. Harappa was first discovered site of Harappan civilization that is situated in the Punjab of Pakistan near Ravi River. Archaeological site Dholavira is in district Kutch of Gujarat state. So in this question only option C is correct. You can see these places on this map. Question 3. Which of the following statement is not true? A. Archaeologists have found evidence of a plowed field at Kalibanga. Terracotta models of the plow have been found at sites in Cholistan and at Banauli. C. Traces of canals have been found at the Harappan sites in Punjab and Sindh. D. Water reservoirs are found in Dholavira. Here right answer is option C. Traces of canals have been found at the Harappan sites in Punjab and Sindh. Here you need to keep in mind that this statement is not true. Let's see its explanation. Traces of canals have been found at the Harappan site of Sortughai in Afghanistan, but not in Punjab or Sindh. Evidence of plowed field is found at Kalibanga in Rajasthan. Terracotta model of the plow have been found at sites in Cholistan and at the Banauli of Haryana. Water reservoir was found at Dholavira in Gujarat. Here you can see images of plowed field in Kalibanga, water reservoir of Dholavira and toy plow that is found at Banauli and Cholistan. Question number 4. Which of the following is not part of the geographical area of Harappan sites? Options are A. Afghanistan, B. Pakistan, C. Oman and D. India. Here right answer is option C. Oman. Let's understand. Evidences of Harappan sites are found within the geographical area of India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Traces of contacts like evidence of a large Harappan jar is found at Omani sites, but it was not part of the geographical area of Harappan civilization. So Oman was not part of the geographical area of Harappan civilization. Question number 5. who had first announced discovery of a new civilization in the Indus Valley to the world in 1924? Options are A. R.D. Banerjee, B. Dayaram Sahni, C. John Marshall, and D. Alexander Cunningham. Here correct answer is option C. John Marshall. Let's see its explanation. John Marshall, as a Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India, announced the discovery of a new civilization in the Indus Valley to the world in 1924. Alexander Cunningham was the founder and first Director General of ASI, or Archaeological Survey of India. R.D. Banerjee was an officer of the Archaeological Survey of India. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by R.D. Banerjee. Dayaram Sahni was an Indian archaeologist who supervised the excavation of the Indus Valley site at Harappa in 1921 and 22. This is an image of John Marshall. So these were important MCQs with explanation of its right answers. Hope this will be helpful for you to understand these topics and solve MCQs of related topics easily. Very soon I am coming with MCQs of another important topics, but before that let's have a look on today's practice question. And the question is, who is considered as the father of Indian archaeology? A. R.E.M. Wheeler, B. John Marshall, C. Ernest Mackay, and D. Alexander Cunningham. I am sure you all are aware of the right answer of this question because it is discussed during explanation of one MCQ in this episode. So don't wait, just write the correct answer in comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.